Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna start a new series, Chainsaw Man. Today we're gonna break down its first episode. Episode begin with Denji, a 16-year-old teenager who lives his life as a devil hunter, aiming to pay off the debt he inherited from his father. He starts hunting devils for Yakuza with his buddy Pochita, a chainsaw devil. Denji dreams of being in a back alley where he finds a door and reach for it. He then wakes up and decides to go to the work for Yakuza. On his way, he calculates how much money he got for cutting trees and selling his kidney, right eye and one of his testicles. However, he still owns a lot of money. Pochita barks and Denji realizes that there is a devil nearby, which excites him as he earns as good sum of money as a dead devil. He sees the tomato devil and using Pochita as a chainsaw manages to kill it. The old man that hired him explains that he will pay him 400,000 yen more than Denji expected. But after taking various fees and interest, he gives Denji only 17,000 yen. After paying his bill for other things he owns, Denji ends up with only 1800 yen. The old man driver wonders why he would hire someone like Denji. The old man explains that Denji is paying them back what his father owed them. The real devil hunter won't give them devil curses, and Denji is also doing what he is told. The driver offers 100 yen to Denji if he eats his cigarette, and Denji gladly accepted. After they leave, Denji spit it out. While eating bread at his place, Denji tells Pochita that he heard people put jam on it, but that's just a dream for them. He guesses he will die before he repay the debt and probably won't even get a girlfriend, and recalls standing in front of his father's grave with the old man complaining that his father killed himself before paying his debt, and tell Denji to gather 700,000 yen by tomorrow or he will chop him into pieces. As the old man leaves, Denji sees a devil with a chainsaw and he feels dead already. He is fine being killed by it. However, then he sees the devil is bleeding and offers to bite him and drink his blood. As Pochita bites him, Denji states that Pochita needs to pay his back and help him as well. The next day, Denji kills a marshmallow devil and gives it to the old man, asking him to hire him as a devil hunter. Being too hungry, Denji is unable to sleep. He tells Pochita that he dreams of having bread with jam, flirting with girls, playing game with her, and then fall asleep while they hug each other. Denji then coughs blood and tells Pochita that he heard his mother had a heart disease that made her cough blood. The old man then come and pick Denji as he found some devil hunting work for them. The man then takes him to a factory and they enter, but Denji is unable to see any devil. The man tells Denji that he is grateful to him as he is loyal as a dog and work for cheap. However, he can't stand the dog stretch. In the moment, a man with a sword stabs Denji and Pochita from behind. The man explained that even Yakuza dream of getting bigger and make more money, so they made a deal with the devil just like him. They wanted power and the devil wanted dead devil hunters. Zombie devil then revealed itself and stated that the Yakuza are dumb and for a bit of power they chose to become his slave. As his power turned them into zombies, the zombie devil doesn't like devil hunters as they kill other devils and ordered his new zombie army to kill Denji. Having bleeding, Denji attempt to run, but the zombie devil catch up and start stabbing and chopping them into pieces. Cut to pieces, Denji is thrown into a dumper with Pochita. Some of his blood reach Pochita's mouth and Pochita wakes. Pochita recalls spending time with Denji cutting trees. Denji tells him that he might die while fighting a devil, and one of his regrets would be that he would leave Pochita alone and starving, or that other devil hunter might kill him, and that he once heard that some devil can take over dead bodies. Then tells Pochita to have his body if he sometime can do, so Denji can live a normal life and die a normal death. In the dumpster, Pochita fused with Denji, combining his chopped pieces and heal him. Denji awakes and wonders if Poshita took over his body. Poshita states he loved hearing Denji talk about his dream. Poshita decides to give him his heart. In exchange, he wants Denji to show him his dreams. Denji awakes healed in the dumpster and sees Poshita tail coming out of his chest. The zombie devil is surprised to see Denji alive and tells the zombies to eat him. Denji wonders if he is the same as Yakuza and wasn't satisfied with the happiness he had with Poshita but keep dreaming for more. He thinks that in the case he can't blame them, but if they were in his way they would die. Denji then pulled the tail from his chest as the zombie jumped on him. The moment later, he busted out from the zombie's pile, transformed his arm and head, having become Chainsaw. After chopping some zombies, Denji jumped on the zombie devil and started cutting him. The zombie devil managed to push him back and threw zombie at him to keep him away. Continuing to cut down the zombie, Denji jumped on zombie devil and slice him into half. Seeing the remaining zombies, Denji noted they become devil and they hired them to kill devil. He proceeded to cut them all, stating that once he does, he won't owe them any money. After that, early in the morning, a car stopped in front of the abandoned factory. Makima and two men then enter and see the bloodbath inside. She sees Denji and approach him, starting he has a strange smell, neither human nor devil. Guessing that he did all of this, Denji asked to be hugged and Makima hugged him. Denji returned to normal and Makima noted he is human and explained he isn't possessed. She also explained that she came to kill the zombie devil and that she is a devil hunter with public safety. She gave Denji two options: to get killed as a devil or to be kept as a human. She stated that if he decided to be kept by her, she promised to make sure he is fed. At the end, Denji asked what he would be given for breakfast if he agrees. The reply from Maram being bread with jam and butter, salad, coffee and maybe some dessert. Denji finds that awesome and agrees. There's the end of the first episode. Hope you like it. See you in the next video.